let's take another look at a different Stonebrook in a different neighborhood at a different angle instead of going vertical on the iPhone versus horizontal. So as you walk in, similar floor plan layout to the other Stonebrook that I did in Kinsdale. So you've got this nice guest suite that has, when we make it a guest suite, we automatically put in a shower. So take a look at this bath and shower. Nice area to put some shelving in. Walk through and take a look at this kitchen with the cafe windows, the cafe area, the gathering place with the side fireplace. And this also has the 4-foot extension and bump out that really makes this floor plan. Again, just another angle to look at the kitchen. And the PPC, the Pulte Planning Center, which I love so much. And the primary suite back here with 2 additional windows. And this particular bathroom has the tub, the shower with the seated bench I'm a big fan of, closets, and of course also the window up there in the bathroom, and the water closet with another little closet back there. And this has the extended patio out the back. There's no sunroom or a screened-in lanai, but this just shows you one of the extended patios. Okay, so the door that I'm walking in right now, this would be where the sunroom or the screen porch would be. If somebody added one. And let's look upstairs real quick. This has the oak tread stairs. Come up into the loft. Nice loft space here. The dual sinks and the bathtub. So this bathroom would service the loft. This bedroom here, which actually has a nice walk-in closet. And this bedroom here, so the ones at Elmbrook would not have this additional patio elevation out front, so this would just be another window, and this would be a bedroom with a window. Again, the loft, and then another closet, but also this particular, they have built another bathroom for this bedroom. So that's why I was telling you that outside bathroom with the 2 sinks would service the loft and the other 2 bedrooms upstairs. And this has its own. So again, walking through the Stonebrook at a sister neighborhood. I hope you've enjoyed this quick little tour of this Stonebrook by Pulte home that we can build at Elmbrook. And I'm Rob Real Props. So thanks again for watching my video. Oh yeah, and the utility room. Of course, this house is being closed in 2 weeks, so there's a little bit, but this is actually good representation with the cabinets in the utility room. And a big garage and the Renee tankless water heater. And of course, the PPC that I'm always talking about, the Pulte Planning Centers. I do really love this for the head of the household, or if you've got kids, You don't want them taking their technology upstairs at night. This is the charging station. This is where all the technology goes at night. Kids can sit in here and do homework while the head of the household prepares the meal. So, beautiful home called the Stonebrook. It's got a primary down, and this has a guest suite down. Again, thanks for watching. Come see me at Elmbrook. Rob Greer.